Shaking hands with clenched fists not possible, said by Indira Gandhi in her 80s when she was the Prime Minister of India. So it was in context of the some international visit where the if you do not have trust, you do not have faith, you do not believe on each other's policies, then shaking hands will have no meaning. So if you have trust, faith, and a feeling of goodwill, then it is possible to shake hands and come to the table and decide on the policies, decide on the things which are of mutual interest to each other on the level of economy, on the level of serving the people, on the level of national interest. So this was in connection with those international visits, and in physically also it is not possible. If you clench your fist, then how do you shake hands? So it's a clenched fist is a symbol of mistrust, and says it shows also the mutual rather understanding, lack of understanding, and then the enmity, or sometimes you don't like anyone, then you show those fists. And if you are on fighting term and you try to patch up, then you come back on the table, shake hand, hug each other, and then you are on the same pace, forgetting the past and moving further. So this is about the shaking hands. Clenched fist not possible. Open heart, open minded, trust, faith, love, and affection. There should be a willingness to serve the people. So it is in the mutual interest of both parties, shaking hands possible. And once you shake hands, then you can go further from that point. Everything positive, win-win situation, and you enjoy the life peacefully, live in harmony. These are the outcomes of shaking hands. So clenched fist should be avoided, and open heart, open invitation, open welcome, and that too in the new year we are entering. And everybody should forget the past. Whatever has happened has happened. So open all the fists which are clenched now, and come back on the same pace, same stream, and enter into the new year with new zeal, new enthusiasm, and shaking hands mutually. This is what is the small message. GS Anand, mechanical engineer turned digital recruiterpreneur, signing off. Thank you. Bye.